the Tita
To
channel.
my tita channel.
Ulit! Ulit!
Okay, take two.
Welcome to the Tita channel.
Dali, sabay. Sabay tayo, dali. Ugali, okay. Kawit tayo. Okay. Alright guys, let's see how beautiful the Bonifacio High Street. Let's go! Oh, it's a very nice looking fountain. Let's walk around here. She has a beautiful voice. It's very calm and it's just so good to my ears. Oh, anyway, let's continue walking around here. Oh, can you take me one shot? Oh, it's so good. Thank you. Sorry na sila. Where are they? Hi, cute. So another cutie pie. Oh wow, it's awesome. Hi, May May. I saw another one.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake and wait. Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Wow.
Moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regret. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sit, never stop, never shut from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Oh, wow. I think it's a poodle.
myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.
Wala na, hindi na makita.
The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna
Ten na.
Bye guys! See you in the next video!